everyone. Welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. I'm glad you're here. Let me say thank you for coming over and over again to watch our video. Alright, so today I'll be sharing with you how to download the undownloadable videos from YouTube. Yes, there are some videos that when you try to download them, with your normal SS, you know what it means, save from net, it doesn't work. I'm going to give you a sample. Yes, I'm going to show you how to download those stubborn video easily, like very easy. So I'm going to my YouTube now, and there's this video, this music video I really love to download. Okay, it's from a movie. If you watch Three Idiots, you know what I mean. Yes, Give Me Some Sunshine. That's a video. It's a music video. So to download it, all I need to do is alright, so that's the video. All I need to do is to click on share.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
Alright, so once you click on share, I'm going to click on copy link. Okay, copy link, so as to get the link to this music. Okay, this is Give Me Some Sunshine. It's a lyrical from Three Idiots. If you've watched Three Idiots, you know the movie is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to my Chrome, my browser, and I'm going to show you what Save From Net is going to say about this video. So you see it's actually undownloadable. You can see on the screen of that video. I'm going to, let me just click on a new tab and try downloading the video from Save From Net, which is the popular way to download videos, Save From Net. Okay, so thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and if you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, because you don't have to miss out on the next gist, okay, on the next tutorial, because we are here to give you every solution to your tech problem. Yes, to your technical problem. So I'm just going to click on Save From Net. I'm going to click on this. Okay, then let's wait for it loading. Now remember, Save From Net actually have an app. Okay, that's why you're seeing a message popping up, Save From App or from Chrome. Yes, I'm going to click on continue to use my Chrome. Well, you can use the app, but the app comes with every advert. Okay, yes, I must tell you this because you're my people, So I'm just going to enter the URL, okay, which I've copied from my video, and let's wait for it loading. Okay, it actually says my video is ready, but you can see this file cannot be downloaded via our server. Okay, which means this doesn't support being downloaded. Okay, now I'm going to give you the trick to download this using your Chrome again. I'm going to type on Y2Mate. Okay, you can see Y2Mate. Look at it, Y2Mate. So just click on search. Okay, you can see the y2mate.com is out, which is this. And I'm going to click on it, and it told me to search or paste link here. So I'm going to paste the same link. Remember, it couldn't download from net. All right, you can see it automatically loads the video, and please block this ad, okay, because it will keep sending you notification. Now it's showing me how I want to download my video: file size, resolution, and download. Now I can decide to download it on a full HD, which is 1080 pixel. Now, if you're going to watch the movie on a laptop, this is recommended, okay? But it comes with it's a larger size, that's 78.2 megabytes. Then I can download it on a medium HD, which is 720 pixel, is still in the MP4 format, 31.3 MB, but that's large. Since I'm using a phone, the 480 pixel and MP4 is good for me, okay? Because my phone resolution is not my phone screen is not large, and it's going to be just the same quality, okay? But 240 is going to be too low. 144 pixel app is going to be too low, which is 6.1 MB. But if you need to save your data, okay, you can use a lower resolution. So I'm going to click on download on the 480 pixel. Okay, yes, I'm going to click on download. This is what I'm downloading now. So it's going to. So please, if there is any video you like us to make, anything you're finding difficult on your phone, please feel free to drop your comments in the comment section, and we'll definitely attend to it. Thank you for coming through once again. All right, you can see. Give me some sunshine, download MP4. I'm going to click on download MP4 and you watch it download on my phone. Okay, I've actually downloaded this earlier on. That's why it's showing me download again. But since you've not downloaded the video, it's going to give you download. Okay, I'm going to download again for the sake of my viewer. So you see it's downloading it, 18.51 MB, and it is done. I'm going to click on open. You can click on open to open the video file directly, but for you to locate the file, I'm going to go to my gallery, AI gallery, and I'm going to my download. Okay, you can see my video is actually here. Yes, this was the previous one I downloaded. Okay, so let's click to watch and be sure it's the same video we downloaded.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
Alright, so the video is actually in my gallery already, and you can see because of the resolution is actually small, because I downloaded a smaller resolution. Okay, so I believe this is helpful to you. In case you find any video difficult to download, just remember to use the y2mate.com to download your video. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and click on the notification button to get updates on our new video. Thank you very much. I love you all.